Welcome to Python programming series. Here I will cover everything from fundamental to advanced topics with clear and detailed explanation. I will upload new videos every week, and if you find my videos helpful, please subscribe to my channel and support me. Hi friends, now you got the required information to get started with the Python programming, where in the previous lesson we have discussed about the compiler and interpreter, and also at the same time we discussed about the IDE and IDLE. So with this we can get started with the Python programming. In this lesson we're going to see how to execute the Python program. First we're going to see how to execute the Python program in Python shell. Okay, lot of terminologies. What is Python shell? Python shell is something, if a Python interpreter is running in the interactive mode, is called Python shell. I already given you the detailed explanation of what is Python interpreter. You can click on this and go to the video and try to understand what is the Python interpreter and also what is compiler. I have given you the very detailed explanation about the interpreter versus compiler. Cool. Now let's come back and let's start open our Python shell. In order to open the Python shell, but for inverse, when you install the Python shell will come by default. And also for Linux and Mac, generally the Python will be there by default for you. Now since I'm in Windows, I already installed the Python. In order to open the Python shell, first let's look into the IDLE. For that, type IDLE and immediately you can see the Python IDLE and the current Python version. Click on this. The moment you click on this, this will open a shell called IDLE shell. And here what you can notice is that the first you can see the few information which was there, and first information will displays the current Python version that we are working on. And here you can see that current Python version that I'm currently working on is 3.12.8, and followed by my system details, which is my computer details. And the most important part is the 3 angle brackets that you see. And this is where we're going to write our command. And in this backend, what are the command that we're writing here? This will go to the Python interpreter and get the results, and that results we're going to display even in the shell. The statement or a command that you're writing here is called Python prompt. Let's write our first Python prompt here. What I can do is that let me write the print, and within that open the braces followed by the double quotes and type hello world. Now again put the double quotes and close it by closing the braces. Now hit enter. Now what happens is that this print statement goes to the Python interpreter and then it will display the results and comes here. Cool, right? And it's not only that, you can also do the operations also. For example, let me take the print and followed by 2 plus 3, and that answer is also I can display here. And press enter, and here you go, you can see that we got 5. And not only that, we can display both string and operation together. What you need to do is let's use the print and let me use the string, suppose 2 plus 3, and just I'm putting in the string, but the actual operation is 2 plus 3. Let me do one thing. Let me put equal. Now press enter. And here you go. That's what you can see. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. This is the operation. That's what you have seen here. And this is how we can simply write the statements in the Python interactive shell. It's not only that, we can also write the program in the .py files, which is .py files. For that, what I'll do is click on file and click on new file, and this is the Python editor or some kind of editor, and now we can write the programs here. So let me write the same program whichever I have written there, which is hello world, and let me also type print 2 plus 3 and also print 2 plus 3, which is equal to, put comma, which is 2 plus 3, which is 5. And simple Python program print statements we can also write in the editor. And of course, let's save this as a .py file. And what you got to do, what you need to do is you need to save this. For that, go to File, click on Save As. Now it will save into the default, it will locate to the default directory. But however, you need to navigate to the folder that wherever you're currently working on. And this is the folder I am currently working on. I navigated to this folder. Now here it's asking for the file name to save. So the file name is simple print underscore statement. And whenever you're trying to save it, don't put spaces in the .py file, otherwise it won't execute. Now you can see the save type file format as by default it is the Python files. Let's keep as it is. Now click on save. That's it. Now we are ready. Now what we can do is that let's run this program. In order to run this, there you can see there is a run, and click on run module. The moment you click on run module, and it will actually execute this file and display the output here. So what are the print statements, and those kind of print statements will be displayed here. Okay, so what exactly happens is that first of all it's restarted the Python interpreter. Now it restarted the Python interpreter and it's looking for the file, and this is the file it executed, and output is displayed here. Cool, right? So this is how we can simply execute a simple Python program. In the next lesson, we're going to talk more detail about what is print statement and what are the operations that we can do within the print statement. I will see you on that. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and at the same time don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you very much.